Hi everybody and welcome back to another episode of Fortress Craft Evolved 64-bit mode. Frozen Factory. And we are doing the installation of the lithium line. Lithium line. Okay, my name is HMK, and just to bring you up to date before we go and install the last little bit of the lithium line is that we have tin fully automated, we have copper fully automated, we have coal fully automated, we have iron fully automated, and we are going to be working on lithium semi-automated. What we call semi-automated and fully automated are semi-automated is that the drills have power to them, but I have to go and collect the ore. Fully automated is where I can just leave it. It's got power and it's got a conveyor belt, and I haven't got to bother about it until the ore runs out. Okay, so we're going to check all of these and see what we got. We've got another 82 lithium here. So lithium is kind of becoming a little bit of a problem here, so we're going to have a look, see how much storage space we've got in here. We got 35, so we're going to put T in there. Okay, so that keeps it up to scratch there. So we're going to, like I said, we need a basic laser and we need another power. Okay, so we're going to craft that, and that is going to give us lithium. Okay, but also what I want to try and do is see about crafting probably not a mini hopper, is the maximum storage hopper is start crafting some of these. Now you can see that we've got 60 iron, but it's still tin that we are low on. But that's only because of what we've been doing. So we can just go straight down to the lithium, because as luck would have it, our lithium came to us at the right place. Okay, when we dug straight down to 128, and that was a real bonus. We actually came through here and it was so cool, and it was just brilliant, absolutely brilliant, because we're now at a place, yeah, where I can just turn around and say, right, okay, what we're going to be doing is putting the power cube here, okay, on the head there. We're going to get a bit there, alright, and we're going to put in the laser there. Now technically, right, it would be better to have a power cube stuck here, so that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to just wait until, by the time we go back up, we should have enough copper. Okay, so that is now semi-automated. Now the reason it's semi-automated is because these guys hit. Okay, we need to make sure that these guys do not touch the ore here, because if you had it separate here, okay, it would cause quite a bit of havoc. So we can say, right, okay, we can take all, whoops, wrong one. Okay, like so, and you can see that the head is going up. Okay, again, like the iron, it will oh, I can see that it flashes as well now, so DJ has upgraded that, as it will do a lot more. Okay, so this cube here, this is now our safety line. Okay, that's why we want to put a cube there, because what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be looking for the cold level. That's what we're going to be looking for. Okay, but I think what we're going to be doing, because we've done a lot of building, okay, we've done a lot of building, is that we're going to go and look for oh god, what is it? A hive mind. I want to show you guys and girls what a hive mind is. Now you can farm these, apparently you can farm these for resin and stuff like that. Really, they're not a problem, unless DJ has changed the way that they work, which will be fair dues, then they might be a problem. But we can't really see them a problem because everything is cute and cuddly in this game except for the wasps. So we just want to make sure, can we have a power block? No, we can't. We need a piece more copper. And it's doing us a copper bar, yes. So here we go.
Crafting.
We're going to craft that, and we're going to go and put that down in the place that is required. Don't know what that splashy thing is. That sounds like something is bursting. Right, so here, okay, I want to take this and I want to put that there, and then because I want everything nice, neat and everything like that, okay, so I'm going to take that, we're going to take that, we're going to put that one there, 0, F and up, put that one there, okay, so it's all nice and neat, it's at the right level. I do like to keep things neat when I'm doing my power thing, and that is how you should have it, bang, bang, and then I can add another drill head here, another drill head here, and another drill head here if I want. You just put conveyor belts around to where they go, but remember, if you do that, you do need to make sure that you put a gun on the side here. This is the most important thing, and this is gun coverage. Now the other reason why we did move that is because of the gun coverage. Okay, gun coverages are quite nice. You just use power stuff. So when we go and do the bits back up, we can see that when we go to K and U, that's our power line. So we're going to follow the power line up to the main line. We're going to dig down. We're actually now going to go to the lithium line, and we're going to join it to the main line, and we're going to need some copper for that, but we're not going to worry about it too much yet, because this is where we're going to start looking for gun manufacturing. Where are we? This is iron here. Yeah, so this is the place that you need to come, is to the iron. This is why I did this. And this is your junction box, okay, this part here. Okay, so we're going to be coming down here. And we're going to dig down to 128. Now if that became clear, then that leads to something. Okay, so we're now 128 here. Okay, so I need to just make sure we can see where we are. Okay, so we've got some more copper here. So let's see where we are. So K. we're going this way. Where are we? Okay, that's good enough for me. Okay, because we can bring it round here, and yeah, that's good enough. So we'll just clear this top bit out here so I can lay it down. That's the line there, isn't it? So we're going to be putting that back there, and we're just going to get that done there. Just get that out of the way for us. We're going to do press K off here. Okay, so that's a conveyor. Again, three square block. 1, 2, 3. So that's the edge there, and that gives me some room because we've got this copper here, we've got something here which is probably lithium. So let's get the angle on this one. So press K off here. Like that. 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. So that's our square block meter, and we're going to be cutting that out there. It is good to know where we are going, and throw thing down there. Yep, there. So we got that there. So how many? What's the distance? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is where it should be. No, it's in the wrong place. It should be here. That's where it goes. And we can see that we've got copper there as well. And this is why it's always nice to have a dig around. Okay, so if we put in our blocks back, so we keep it to a nice square-ish room. Okay. Cool. Well, if we put that back there, so we've got our room here, that gives us that there. We want to take all of this off. There we go. So conveyor belt straight up there. So we know we're going to need weapons up to here. Okay. And that's lovely there. Lovely there. Full power cube. We're going to go back up to the top. What's this? Okay, nothing important, but I don't want to fall down there. So we've got lots of copper. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We now have the following automated: coal, fully automated; copper, fully automated; tin, fully automated; iron, fully automated; lithium, semi-automated. And we have done that in 10 hours, 51 minutes and 14 seconds. Have fun, stay safe. Bye for now.